Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDJPY, US dollar Japanese yen for 22nd April 2021. So this analysis is for 22nd April only. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the overall chart of US dollar Japanese yen, and as you can see on the screen I'm using the 4 hours time frame. Okay, this is the overall chart of US dollar Japanese yen for the last 4 months. And as you can see on the screen, market was overall in uptrend. After that, market had a breakthrough and market broke this support, the 50 moving average, and right now market is coming down. Okay, but if we just keep aside this part, okay, we can see that overall trend of the market is towards the upside. Okay, now let's look at the 4 hours time frame, sorry, a weekly time frame, the time frame of the big boys. The weekly time frame, we can see that yes, market was in uptrend, but from the for the last 3 weeks, considering this week as well, the market is in downtrend, market is coming down. Okay, so weekly time frame has given us a red candle, which signifies the dominance of the sellers, and stochastic RSI also pointing towards the downside. Okay, so what should be a strategy then? Let's switch to the 4 hours time frame, the most beloved time frame, including mine. So this is the overall chart, and as you can see right now, market is in downtrend. If you are looking for a short-term opportunity, then you should only be looking for selling opportunity, because overall the trend is up. Okay, if you are not a long-term player, then you then your focus is on the short term. Okay, for 1 day, 2 day, uh 4 days, 5 days. Okay, therefore overall the trend is now towards the downside. It's not it. If you are a short-term player and if you're looking for a position like 30-40 pips, then you should only be looking for selling opportunity, because right now the trend is towards the downside. Okay, so what should be the strategy then? As I told you, market will, as I told you in my previous video, that when market will be going up and coming down, then you should short the market. Okay, and if you have watched my previous video, then you have already short the market and you are in a good profit right now. And if you are looking for a fresh opportunity, then you'll have to wait for the market to go up again. As I always say, you should always look for the area of value. Okay, area of value before executing any trade. Always look for the area of value. Whenever market is in uptrend, you look for buy opportunities or buying opportunities. The area of value will be near the support. Whenever market is in downtrend, the area of value is always near the resistance. In this case, the market is going down and we should only be looking for selling opportunity. Therefore, our area of value is just below the resistance level, because we must match the risk to reward ratio as well. And as you can see, market is kind of trading, or market is having a going flat here. Okay, market is taking support at this particular level, though we can see that market is getting resistance from this line. Okay, you can also draw this line in your charting platform in the 4 hours time frame. You can see that market is respecting this line as a resistance, and right now market is getting support also at this particular level. Okay, then what should be your strategy? You should just observe the market and see, in case market crosses this line, which means that market is crossing the resistance, still you should not buy right away, because overall the trend is up. If market crosses also, if you are not a scalper, if you are not a pro trader, then avoid the market, because you do not know how to do scalping and all. If market crosses this level, you do not need to trade. In case market crosses this level, okay, in case market crosses this level or this support, then you can short the market. Okay, then you can short the market. Just do one thing, okay, whenever market will be crossing this support level, wait for 3 to 4 hours and just observe the price. Yes, observation is extremely important. See, we all know the basic stuff, the basic candlestick patterns and all, but still most of the traders fail to earn money from the market. Why? The main reason is that traders just focus on the chart. They do not try to understand the market psychology. Understanding the market psychology is the key factor in earning money from the market. Okay, so to make sure and to get the confirmation, when market will cross this level, wait for 3 to 4 hours and just observe the price. Okay, if you see that after 3 to 4 hours market is trading below this level, which means that sellers are dominating the market. Sellers have joined the party again, and you can short the market below this level. On the other hand, if market crosses this red line above, then you should not buy. Okay, because overall the market is in downtrend, and if you are a beginner, then you should not go against the trend. You should only stay with the trend to make money. Okay, so wait for the market to cross this line. In case market crosses this level, avoid it. On the other hand, okay, on the other hand, if market goes up, okay, goes up, this is a small resistance. Okay, let's consider this level, or mainly this level only. Okay, on the other hand, if market goes up, surprisingly goes up and hits this particular level or this level, 109 level, or 10, sorry, 109.70 level. In case market goes up from here and hits this level, then also you may get a opportunity to short the market. When market will hit this level, 109 or 109.7 level, just observe the price. If you see that price is struggling near these levels and market is about to reverse from here, you can short the market. Okay, you can short the market, but that's a different chapter. As of now, market is trading here, so wait for the market to cross this level. Okay, if market crosses this level, short the market. You short the market after 3 to 4 hours, once you get a confirmation that yes, market is being dominated by sellers again. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood the analysis of US dollar Japanese yen. If you liked the video and then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow again.